You got that good, good, baby, don't ya? Got that good, good, baby, don't ya? But you're leaving solo. Ain't regular, that ain't regular. I ain't gon' keep fighting for it. Ain't gon' keep fighting.
Yo, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, is about Fenty Beauty. I'm super excited that the new foundation launched. It's very glowy and dewy, so I was excited when the product launched. So yeah, we'll be trying out the foundation today as well as doing this look for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave me a like, thumbs up, subscribe if you like the videos. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, just not to make this video long, I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. And now we're going to go into our bag. So I also got the Fenty Beauty primer, and then of course I have the foundation as well. The primer first. I got the mini version of it because I don't really use primer like that. Sometimes I prime with my setting sprays, but I kind of wanted to do like the whole Fenty Beauty 9 yards. So I got the primer. It smells pretty good. I mean, it has a fragrance in it, which is not my favorite, but I'm not gonna die. My forehead feels pretty good actually. I feel my skin just getting softer and smoother as I apply, and I use 3 pumps. Now we're gonna go with the star of the show, which is the Fenty Beauty foundation, and my shade is 420. I went with 420 because they have more like a gold undertone, and if you ain't trying to be gold and glow this summer. I tried the 440, it had more of a red undertone, which I normally have a red undertone, but I like the glow that the 420 gave me. Just so you guys know, this one doesn't oxidize, which is my problem with the first one. I didn't get the first one because it oxidized, and I just don't like that. Oh my god, it's so hard to get this out of the packaging. Come on! Dang. Okay, got it out. Looks so pretty. It reminds me of Clinique. Like, I have a Clinique foundation. It reminds me of the component. Similar, but this one's obviously longer, but cool. Let's try this bad boy. I'm excited about this foundation. I'm here for Fenty Beauty. I'm here for black owned businesses. So yes, queen. Give me glow, give me silky smooth. I'm ready. Yes, yes, yes. I use like 5 or 6 pumps. Let's try that, and then if we need more, we'll just build up. I think this one is very buildable. It was made for natural to dry skin, and I don't have any of that. Is it not just natural? No, I think it's normal to dry skin, which I think I have more of an oily to combo skin, where I'm oily in my T-zone and I am combo everywhere else. Not really dry. I wouldn't classify my skin as dry. I know this is looking crazy right now. It's really light, but it's gonna come into its own really nicely and just go in with my skin color in a sec. And you guys, as always, don't forget your neck, don't forget the décolletage. I've pretty much already finished applying all of the foundation off camera, and you guys, I'm actually really impressed with this foundation. It's definitely gonna take some getting used to, like a huge learning curve for me, because it's so different from what I normally use. But so far I really like the foundation. I like the coverage, no complaints. I don't see it oxidizing. It's been like 5 minutes, about 5 minutes, and it still looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the rest of my makeup and just see how well it holds up. Oh, and I also use the Fenty Beauty concealer, which I love. This is it right here. It's probably the best concealer in the market. I'm so impressed with this concealer. It's just really good. Like, the consistency of it is just out of this world. I love it. And I'm slowly starting to have so much Fenty Beauty. I just realized I have the lip gloss, concealer. Rihanna, you better appreciate, okay? Just got the primer, and I have the foundation now. So y'all, 4 Fenty Beauty products. Can't say I don't support a sister. What look should I do today? So y'all, I've been reading this book by Ray Morris, who's like a really big makeup artist. She's Australian. She's been in the market she's been around for a really long time, and I just have been reading all about her makeup. I'm like obsessed with her. It's so crazy, all the tricks that you can learn from a professional when you're like not a professional makeup artist, and that's sort of what I like. Like, if I'm gonna do makeup, I want to be well-rounded, and I want to know like what I'm doing. I don't want to sort of just go off of like what I see on the internet, because a lot of the times you are basically copying what someone else is doing, and those people are probably not even professionals, so it's always good to sort of learn from someone that's been in the industry for X amount of years. And yeah, I just feel better about like doing makeup these days because I love all of her tricks. So today I really want to do something different, but my body is screaming to do the same thing I always do, which is basically like my natural makeup. But I kind of don't want to do that. Let's see here. I'm gonna do like a really nice cut crease. I don't know how to do cut creases, okay? But I'm gonna try, okay? I'll try. And for today, I'm using my Morphe palette. And this one has a bunch of colors in it. And then I'm also going to mix that in with the natural colors. This one for all of my transitions. And yeah, let's get started. And I'll probably speed through this one just because you guys are here for the foundation, not for the makeup. So let's just get into it. I know you guys are waiting for another cosmetic chemistry video, and I got y'all. Right now, I have so much going on with like work and modeling. You guys know it's about to be Fashion Week, and I'm not walking Fashion Week at all, but it gets crazy and close to September. But I am working on a video. It will be probably a video on like the common terms you would see when it comes to cosmetics, all the terms that you would probably hear as a chemist. And yeah, that would be a really cool video, but just give me time. I got y'all. I am not slacking. I don't know if you guys can tell, I like to have all of my information right before I come on here, and I just want to come on here just to come on here. I like to be accurate and have like a lot of information. Like I don't want to come on here and not know what I'm talking about, you know? I like to come here prepared. Yeah, I'm gonna use my NARS concealer to cut my crease. Let's see if I can do this. It's a Radiant Creamy Concealer. I think this is how I see the gurus do it. Some of the YouTubers I really love to watch because they're really good at what they do. I love Sarah He. Mexican. I don't know if you guys follow her, but she's really good, and she's always so happy. I'm like, oh, I love your energy. Someone else I really like is Makeup Sheila. I mean, first of all, she's a brown girl and she's a buzz bitch. I love that. I just love people that aren't trying to just win in life, you know? Like, that's just something that's super admirable. I just really love that. It just makes me so happy and inspires me. I love inspiring people. I don't know what I'm doing. You guys, I'm not a makeup artist at all. But I'm gonna try. I hope that's looking like it's cut. Just gonna blend that crease. Like this is all blending into one. Okay, you guys, I am just gonna stop here. I have a baby shower at 5, and it's like 5:43 African time. At its finest. Yeah, we're good. We're done. We will continue later. I do need to smoke out my under eye though.
Baby.
Yeah?
Isn't your baby shower at 5?
I know.
It's 5:45.
I'm almost done.
3 hours later.
I just asked my boyfriend if he likes that foundation. He's like, I don't see a difference between this one and your old eyeshadow. I'm like, boy, please. And men don't notice anything. We're done with the foundation and the eyeshadow. Looking good. Oh. The crease is kind of there, right? But we're just winging this right now. This blush, I've had it forever. It's NYX blush in Fardajo. Got a bronzer today. I've been hearing about this bronzer. It's a Mahogany bronzer by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I was kind of iffy about bronzers for a long time, but I think it's a really good alternative for when you don't want to like contour, you know, do the whole shebang with contouring. From reading Ray Morris's book, she said not to go like fishy mouth when you put your bronzer on. So we're just not gonna do that. We're actually gonna go down here as well. So I have to go buy stuff for the baby shower. Jeez. Okay. And I'm not using eyeliner today. Kind of want to keep it semi-natural, but not natural. You know? You know? You guys follow this comedian called Theo Ogon? He is so funny. He's probably the only comedian that makes me laugh. And he says, you know? The way he says it is so funny, so I always say it like that now, subconsciously. Okay, you guys, I will do a Sephora haul. I was gonna do it with this video, but I'll just do it separately because I got quite a lot more stuff in my bag. Now we're going to do lipstick, and I got Pat McGrath's lipsticks. I'm using the lipstick called Omi, and this is her mini lipsticks. I got 6 of them, and I will do a review on all of them. This is so beautiful. Wow. Pat, respect. Look, my liner, my lip liner. I'm going to be using MAC's Chestnut lip liner. Fenty Beauty lip gloss over all of this, so give me some shine. I love lip gloss. And yeah, there you go. I really like how this came out. Last but not least, we're going to stay on our face with the MAC Fix It Lavender. I can go OD on setting sprays just because they just make your skin glow. Ooh. Alright, you guys, there you have it. It's the final look. I think the foundation is really pretty. I think it definitely gives you a glow. Like I said, it's for normal to dry skin, so if you're super oily, you might not want to do this foundation, but I did want to try it because I mean it's summertime, and during the summer my skin tends to get a little dry, not too dry, and I kind of want to support my girl Rihanna. So yeah, I like the foundation. I'll give you guys more feedback as I wear it, but yeah, it's a yes for right now. It has my vote. I like it. But yeah, I'm gonna run along to this baby shower, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Oh, I'm sorry, are you recording?
Yeah, but I have to film the intro. I'm done. Just need to say, hey guys, you know?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel.